Eisenhower National Historic Site preserves the farm of General and 34th President Dwight D. Eisenhower. Adjacent to the Gettysburg battlefield, the farm served the President and First Lady as a weekend retreat and as a meeting place for world leaders. With its peaceful setting and view of South Mountain, it was a respite from Washington, D.C., and a backdrop for efforts to reduce Cold War tensions. Throughout his long Army career, Dwight Eisenhower and his wife never had a house to call their own, with the couple moving from Army post to Army post. After he became Columbia University's president in 1948, Mamie requested that they finally have a place to call their own. A married couple who were friends with the Eisenhowers recently purchased a small farm around Gettysburg and recommended the area in 1950. The Eisenhowers found a rundown farm on the outskirts of Gettysburg and purchased the farm and its 189 acres. The Battle of Gettysburg was a turning point in the Civil War. The Union victory that ended General Robert E. Lee's second and most ambitious invasion of the North, often referred to as the high-water mark of the rebellion. Gettysburg was the Civil War's bloodiest battle and was also the inspiration for President Abraham Lincoln's immortal Gettysburg Address. Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.